Hello everyone, I'm Jana here. Welcome to my channel Home Cooking with Dana. Today I'm going to share a delicious potato wedges recipe with you guys. These are really simple to make. So let's get started and check out the recipe.
Here are the ingredients that we need to make crispy potato wedges. You can also check the ingredients down on the description box. When we prepare our potatoes, we need to brush off the potatoes to get rid of all the dirt, as we are not peeling off the skin. We are going to cut these potatoes into halves and each half into quarters. One potato gives me about 8 wedges. It is important to cut these into similar size as it helps to bake evenly. Next, rinse the potatoes to get rid of all the starch. Try them really well because that's what makes these wedges crispier when they are in the oven. I am using a paper towel. You can also use a clean kitchen towel for this. Now we are ready for seasoning. Add salt, garlic powder, paprika, pepper, breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, and oil. Mix them all to distribute the seasoning evenly. Now it is time to transfer this onto my baking tray. I have lined the tray with the baking paper. I am going to layer them, and it is important not to overcrowd the wedges. Having the space in between helps to crisp up the wedges. Preheat the oven to 210 centigrades. We are going to cook these for 40 to 50 minutes. After 20 minutes, flip them so they get evenly crisp on all sides. After another 20 minutes, flip them again. Make sure all 3 sides had contact with the baking paper. Our wedges are ready now. They are crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. Thank you for watching. See you next time.